Hi, I'm Bailey White. Ever wonder if going with a hoverboard is the right choice? Well, this video might help you to understand if it is or not. Some people might ask, why prefer a hoverboard rather than a skateboard or a scooter or a bicycle? Well, here's the thing. It's faster and it's a little bit easier to control. So, as you can see, I'm controlling it very easily. And the other reason is there's a flashlight on the front, headlights, and you can ride around on it at night. Some of you might be asking, how does this work? Well, when getting on, you might need to get used to getting on when you first get it. However, when you get used to it, it's fairly easy to step on. Now, these right here are basically pedals. When you press this one, it turns left. When you press this one, it goes right. Notice how the headlights come on, whichever one you press, along with the side lights, right there. And once you know how to use it, once you get the hang of it, you can go around in circles, go backwards. Now, also, when you're controlling it, you have to press on the pedals. So when you go forward, you kind of have to lean forward a little bit, but when you go backward, you just kind of press on the back of your feet. Now, when you want to spin, I pressed on this foot when I was spinning. Now, if I go this way, I was pressing on that foot. And that wraps up our hoverboard tutorial.